I'm going to print this with probably 4 layers thick on walls, 3 on bottom, 4 on top, 20% infill or somewhere around there, 15% infill. It's a pretty big print, so it's going to take quite a while and go pretty slow, run a little hot, keep it strong. I'm also printing it vertically like this, so the layers are going to go layer up, 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 up. That'll make it much stronger than the other way. That was one thing about the other print I made, kind of clamped over to that bar, is that center post. It's kind of like this center post was straight up, and if you print it layer by layer up this way, you can break the layer right in the middle, and that post will just break right off. So by printing this vertically and having the layers this way, you will have a full filament all the way around each layer to support in the direction of load, which is going to be back that way. So when you have the layers, you could split apart like this a lot easier, but you don't have any forces that way splitting it apart. Your weight is all to the back. So by layering it this way, it'll make it much stronger. Now this I'm not going to print sideways, I'm going to print that vertically, so it could snap kind of right in the middle pretty easy. But I'm not too worried about that. It's not like the weights are going to fall off. There's not going to be a whole lot of pressure on that. All the weight's going to be on the back of this for the most part. And this is just going to kind of help keep them aligned and from rattling around quite as much. So it'll be easy to pop off. Just pop that out, pop the 2 weights off, pull one screw out, you can pull it off, you can put the sweeper on, and go back and forth pretty easily. So this was my first test print. See the shape right down there of the bar. Fit over pretty good. Had a little bit of gap on this side here. I tweaked a little bit. About ready to do another test print right now. So I was just trying to see how strong this was. It really is really strong material, actually. Oh, there it goes. Once that thing is 5 inches thick, it should be really, really strong.